In this problem, we're asked to subtract two whole numbers. We're asked to subtract 17,892 from 23,067. We'll first subtract the ones, then the tens, then the hundreds, then the thousands, and then the 10,000s. Beginning, we subtract the ones. 7 minus 2 is 5 ones. To subtract the tens, we want to subtract 6 minus 9. In order to do that, we'll have to borrow. Looking at the hundreds column, there are no hundreds to borrow from. In the thousands column, we have 3 thousands. Looking at 3 thousands is 30 hundreds. Borrowing 100 from 30 hundreds gives us 29 hundreds plus 1 extra hundred. That 1 extra hundred we'll rename as 10 tens. 10 tens plus the 6 tens here gives us 16. Now 16 minus 9 is 7. Moving to the hundreds column, 9 minus 8 is 1. Moving to the thousands column, we want to subtract 2 minus 7. Again, we'll need to borrow. Looking at the 10,000s, we rename one of the 10,000s as 10,000s. And we subtract 12 minus 7 is 5. And 1 minus 1 is 0, and since that's at the left of the number, we don't have to write that. So the difference is 5,175.